Hello, my name is Freddy Matsumoto. I'm a Global Vice President for display products at Visteon. And welcome to Visteon booth for displays. So today we brought about some of the displays. We are very good at this automotive display in the market. I think we are globally number one market shares for the cluster and center displays. And by the way, so this is 34-inch curved OLED. So this is a 34-inch curved displays, and by using display vertical integration capabilities. So we design about cover lens, and we are producing about bending and bonding, and also complete about final assembly at Visteon manufacturing sites. So we have a non-stop operation from the component level to production level, system level at the same factories. So this is curved OLED, and if we look at the market, almost all displays shift to OLED for smartphone and TVs. But automotive displays, different stories. So LCD-based technology continue to be a major stream for automotive market. That's why Visteon continue to invest about LCD-based technologies. So if you look at this one, so probably you feel that this display looks like OLED, like black is really black, and a high contrast ratio, high color saturations. But this is LCD-based technologies, and produced by Visteons. So we design backlight, cover lens by ourselves. That's why display image quality is really good. And also we apply deco trim by printing technologies under the cover lens. This is also Visteon unique technologies. Display image through the deco trim, not good, like a hazy image. But our technology can be very sharp, display image like this.
Yeah, so here at Visteon, what we're really focused on in the electrification space is cost-driven innovation. So innovation that's really tailored to meet lower and lower cost targets for our customers. Here's a video that shows some of the features of the components that we build. Basically, what it is meant to do is really create a really holistic picture of the electrification space, so that we're able to do V2G charging, V2X, and V2H, and make sure that you can get all these new features, while also providing ASIL-D functional safe power supply. For our battery management system, we're now in our 4th generation of wireless battery management systems. We first launched with GM on the Ultium platform in 2021, and this is now our latest edition. What's unique about this one is we can actually use different tier 2 semiconductor BMIC suppliers and communicate with the same battery management controller. So Visteon now develops a communication interface that's completely agnostic to the actual tier 2 cell monitoring units. What this does is it enables customers who are looking for generational carryover to use the same controller in different vehicles to be able to use different solutions for the pack monitoring while still having the same controller overall. Over here we have our grid-to-cell technologies. This is an integrated X-in-1 solution. It includes our 2-in-1 onboard charger and DC-DC converter, 11 kilowatt onboard charger, and 6 kilowatt DC-DC converter. We also have our battery management controller. And then what we did is we actually took this box, which is a 400 volt, 800 volt switchable system, and we updated the technology in it to actually just replace it with the components you see here. Mm-hmm. So now instead of this very large box with all these features, we're able to do it in a much smaller packaging space, so we can see over 30% reduction in size. One of the key technologies for this is our high voltage SSR. This is what we call the Smart E-Connect. And what we do is we actually replace the contactor, so one of these.
Replace this one?
Yeah, we replace these two with this box. So we see a 40% reduction in size and weight by doing that. And it also and it becomes more reliable because you don't have any issues with shock or anything when you're driving. What we also did is, this is an 800 volt, 400 volt, 800 volt switchable system using silicon carbide. We also developed a gallium nitride-based version for the DC-DC converter. So it's much flatter. You can see this one's relatively thick, and there's some very large components on it. This is much thinner by using gallium nitride, and we also have planar transformers that can be more efficient as well. And then we also can reduce the size of the DC-DC by 30% by moving to this model. Finally, we have our low voltage battery solution. So what this is doing is replacing the lead acid battery in the vehicle with a lithium ion based solution. This is very popular now because it's very reliable compared to the lead acid batteries from before, and it lasts a lot longer. We can do both 12 volts and 48 volts with this configuration, and we do the full system. So we do the battery management system with the ASW and BSW, so full stack solution with electronics and mechanical.